What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to hide Instagram chat without deleting. Firstly, get up into your profile section, go on the three dots on your right upper side, select for settings, and now as you can see you have many options right there. You need to go for account and then you need to scroll down, and right down you're gonna go for switch to professional account with a blue line sides. Go for it. Go continue to get, as you can see, the professional tools. Go continue on all sides, then select whatever you want, what are you're interesting on it. For example, for me it's here education. I will go done. It will says that it will switch to a professional account. Go for again. Okay, now it will need to wait 30 seconds to get up finished is creating your professional account. Now here you'll need to get whatever it's on your side. In my side is for creator, and we'll go next. And now what I need to do, I need to get off from this, and now when I'm on the feed side I need just to scroll on my right side, and here as you can see you can find out two options, primary or general. Now how do you hide Instagram chat without deleting? Simply select the chat, click on it, hold on it, and go for move to general. And now as you can see the chat has been moved to the general but is not deleted. If I go on general, here I can find out all the chats that I have hidden on my Instagram session chats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.